5 years. I was a school cashier from 1990 up to 2002. Then 2002 up to 2025, I am the junior high school records in charge.
I was hired way back May 15, 2002. My position when I was hired was bookkeeper, payroll officer, and liaison officer. During the time of the ceremony, I was appointed as the school treasurer. During this school year, I was again appointed as the school treasurer under our OIC of Finance, Sister Shiva of Principe OSA. I served the school for almost 23 years now.
I was hired last 2004 as computer teacher and also biology teacher. Then I was also assigned to handle the student cooperative as the teacher manager. Then after 10 years, I was appointed as the coordinator of student affairs, both the high school department and college department. I was also once the subject area coordinator of the science department. I was also appointed as the research development officer. Then currently, I am the academic coordinator of the IBET and the college dean of the college department.
23 years in service na po as maintenance. Karoon ako sa country ko, driver.
I decided to continue my service here in LCC because I have 2 kids still studying in college, so I have to support them. I love the community of LCC as well as my work here as records in charge. I enjoy working with my colleagues, especially the Miss France and Madam Chichi, and the faculty member, as well as the students.
The reason why I stay because of the following reasons: contentment, stability. I am happy to serve the students and my fellow co-workers, and what we call the camaraderie.
I've been in La Consolacion College for 20 years, and the reason why I stay for this long years is because of gratitude. I have so many better opportunities outside La Consolacion College, but my love, my loyalty, and gratitude to La Consolacion College is greater than those opportunities outside.
Pag-stay sa LCC, ako rason kay bukod sa akong pamilya, sa akong anak, para mag-eskwela. So, hindi ko gusto makarina sila.
My most memorable experience here in LCC is that after our busy days throughout the year, kanang motor jud ni tag-asa nga lugar, hindi na ako makalimtang nga nakadto ko Baguio, Boracay, Camiguin, Bohol.
The most unforgettable memories for me, I experienced year-end tours. At the same time, I was able to attend different kinds of seminars which enable me to grow on my personal, in which it helps me to show my skills, abilities, and talents. It makes me a person of who I am today.
One of the best experiences that I have here in La Consolacion College is that I am able to find friends and turn become my sisters and my family, which I experienced having a sister and their husbands become my brother. For me, that is really the best thing that I have gained in La Consolacion College, which gives me so much gratitude to God because I have experienced so many things, most especially the gift of family.
Kung ang tuloy memories high school, ang tuloy sa among vacation, hindi ko makaanhan ng mga lugar at hindi ko sa school, nang nagkakagay kong memories na kauban ako sa trabaho.
My message to LCC is that I hope nga the school will continue to serve the students, especially sa ilang pagka-spiritual lang pagkatao ba, na respect sila sa mga tao nga di adali sa school. Mahulgin sila as Catholic education na kanang school. Ang values na gitudlo sa mga bata, sa LCC nga sa mga bata, dili nila makalimtan sa ilahang kinabuhi, kinahanglan, dagon gid nila bisag asa sila. Proud gid sila sa LCC, nga dili sila stay sa LCC.
My message to La Consolacion College Liloan in celebration of its 60th anniversary is that may it continue its mission to commit and inculcate Catholic values to all the students. May it continue what its vision for the entire society, and may the school continue to grow what it is today and what it is on the coming years.
To La Consolacion College, congratulations for its 60th founding anniversary. Thank you so much for the opportunities that you have given to the people working here, most especially to me, because what I am now is because of you. Thank you so much.
Sisters, nagkakaroon salamat sisters na inyo kong gilawat din sa LCC kasi sa pag-finance. Kung wala mo, hindi siguro kapalambot akong anak. Sayin ako sa mga kauban ako, mga personel. Nagkakaroon salamat sa pagsaling din ako. Kasi hindi ko pa mamuluto, pero salig ako muna ako. Mga estudyante sad nga akong na kaila, nagkakaroon salamat. Isan ko, maintenance ako, pero tahod ako ng isip sa kaya sa school. Sa eskwelahan nga akong itrabaho, naupunta nga, mas daghan pa nga atong enrollees para magpadayon ng atong panag-uban sa salamat kayo.
Happy 60th anniversary, La Consolacion College, Liloan.
Happy 60th founding anniversary, La Consolacion College Liloan.
Happy 68th founding anniversary, La Consolacion College, Liloan.